Make sure to check out my Patreon where you can help support the channel and get access to all my picks before I talk about them here. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Man, I am just killing it lately with my predictions. Like, if you guys watched my last videos, everything played out exactly as I said. I told everybody buy Tesla. We had a big surge recently, as you can see. It's up 60% in a month. Told everybody that Shiba was going to come down just like it did. Look at it, it's almost identical to how it was before. It had a big crash. I said it was coming. I was like, there's a crash coming, and literally I make that video here. It was like right around this area. I told everybody, crash coming, and then right after my video, boom, it crashes. So what's going to happen now? Hopefully this here was the bottom for Shiba, and maybe now we're going back up. If we zoom out, you gotta always zoom out, guys, to really see. Again, if you look here, I mean, this is looking identical here, the pattern. I mean, we're just seeing a repeat right here from over here. I don't know, it could continue to go back down, or it could also go higher than ever before. So what do I think you should do? I would not be buying into Shiba right now. I think it's very risky. There's too much of a chance of it doing that and repeating what it did over here. So there's too many other things to buy, other better cryptos. So here's Tesla. We're up 60%, you see, for the month. Oh, Elon Musk. I could just kill the guy. For those of you who are unaware, yesterday Elon posted this, taking a survey on Twitter as to whether he should sell his Tesla stock. Why on earth would this be a good idea, Elon? Like, all this does is punish everybody who believed in you, who believed in Tesla, who put their money where their beliefs were, and now they're going to get punished. And even more shady is Elon's brother sold over $100 million worth of Tesla stock right before he did this. So no doubt he told his brother, hey, I'm about to post that, giving his brother fair notice to go sell it, but not, of course, not for the rest of us. And when does he say this? After the market closes on Friday. So now we're all locked in. There's nowhere to go but down. Everybody's going to be panic selling come Monday morning. This is the second time that Elon has screwed me personally. Another time was with Dogecoin when he went on SNL. I mean, he screwed the whole crypto market with that. Which is, I think I'm never going to invest in anything related to Elon Musk again. Like, the fact that he would do this to his investors is just, it's unforgivable. I mean, so here's what's going to happen now, right? So let's go to Tesla. I mean, we were on an amazing run. Look at this run up. I mean, this is incredible. If you go for the year, look at this. We're up almost 200% for the year. So now, I guarantee you, Monday, tomorrow morning, it's just going to, where's my marker? We're just going to whee all the way back down. So what do I think is going to happen, right? So he proposed selling 10%, right? So probably most likely Tesla's going to drop by 10% value tomorrow. So if you want to buy Tesla, it's going to be on sale for 10% off tomorrow morning. Now, I think a lot of people are going to buy in at that point. I don't know, maybe it'll go lower, but it's going to be a quick bounce back up to where it fell from. So I wish I had waited to now to buy into Tesla, but a lot of people are going to get a discount tomorrow. This is one of those things, I mean, you can't really see it coming. Normally, I don't even look at companies or the hype or this or that. I just look at the charts. The charts tell you everything you need to know. But this is something the charts are not going to tell you. This just comes completely out of left field. I mean, the only heads up you have about this is that it's Elon, and he's totally unpredictable and oftentimes doesn't do things. I mean, he's on here telling people, I think the price of Tesla is too high. I mean, what are you talking about? Why would you think the price is too high? This is like somebody trying to buy a car. Like, why is it so cheap? Maybe you should make it more expensive. Like, what positive thing could possibly come from telling the world that you think the price of your brand is too high? It's just insanity. So I'm into Tesla for the long haul. As I said in my last video, like, if you were to buy 30 shares of Tesla today, you can retire in just 10 years from now, never have to work again. You can just live off the interest of that money, of how much interest, compound interest it will have accrued over the past, or I should say over the next 10 years. So it's a good long-term investment, but I wish I had waited till tomorrow, because it's going to be, I mean, who knows what the sale, either it's going to be probably 10% off, but who knows, maybe it could even be 30% off. So what do? Do you sell now? If you've already invested in Tesla, hopefully some of you guys sold up here. I told you guys to buy here. Hopefully you bought there and you sold here. Unfortunately, I'm still in, so we're gonna see what happens tomorrow. It's coming down tomorrow morning. How low is she gonna go? Nobody knows yet. You know, you could try to put an order to sell right now that's going to execute tomorrow morning. I would definitely not, if you haven't put it in at this point, I would definitely not recommend doing that, because your order is not going to execute immediately. Like, you're now standing in line with everybody else's orders. By the time yours executes, it's going to be way down here. And then what's going to happen is your order is going to sell, and then once it's here, everybody's going to buy back in. It's going to shoot this back up, and you're going to be stuck down here. And meanwhile, it's back up here again. So I would just hold. I mean, is it really that big of a deal? It's not like he's selling 50% or 90%. He's selling 10%. You know, we're definitely going to see a little bit of a dip, but then I think we're going to continue back up. I think long-term, Tesla stock is going to be worth between $8,000 a share and $30,000 a share. So let's just do the math on that real quick, right? I said if you buy 30 shares today, right? That's what it would cost to buy 30 shares today of Tesla. So if your 30 shares are worth $30,000 a share, just 10 years from now, that's $900,000. So almost $1 million you're going to have in just 10 years. And you can just live off the interest of that. The thing about, I mean, what else are you going to do in your life that you're going to just make $1 million basically doing nothing? Unless you're buying lottery tickets or you're down at the casino or something. Like, there's no way you're going to make almost $1 million with basically no effort. Once you're at your 900,000, if you can get even 10% interest off of that a year, that's 90,000 a year, right? Divided by 12, 7,500 a month, divided by 4, that's $1,800 a week for the rest of your life, basically, that you can just have without even touching the principal. You can just live off of that to the day you die, you know? So I'm telling you. So here's my recommendation. If you have Tesla stock, I would just hold it. Don't do anything. Just ride out the storm. It's going to come back up. However low it goes tomorrow, it's no big deal. If you don't have any Tesla stock, I would definitely buy the dip tomorrow. Put whatever you're going to hold in there for long term. You want to get 30 shares if you can afford to do it. I mean, you can't afford not to do it, really. To be able to retire in just 10 years. Imagine you're 18 years old right now. You put 30 grand on it and you can retire by the time you're 30. Never have to work again. So one more thing before we go today. Dogelon stands for Doge and then Elon. Those two words combined. And as you can see, it's up 30% just today. So this one's going to go higher. This is like going to be the next thing. Shiba's kind of done its run. I would be putting your money. God, I hate living in this neighborhood. Okay, so Shiba's already done its run. Dogelon is the next one you want to buy. So it went up 30% today. I think it's going to go much higher. If you don't have any, I would buy some right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my 2 cents. And I would love it if you would share this video around, help the channel grow. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Please remember again, check out my Patreon. I'll see you next time.